I decided to ride my Cycle Genius Falcon today. I'm going to try to do a nice long ride. Like for long rides, more comfortable. Hello. As you can tell, I got my helmet on my helmet. Can't really find a place to put it on the bike. I think I got a handlebar mount right there on my handlebar. But you're not gonna see much of the bike though when I'm riding. I'm only riding on the t-shirt. Can't really clip it to my t-shirt. I could maybe. It's kind of baggy on me. Head southeast to Xenia, and maybe I feel like it, I'll do Jamestown. I go all the way to Jamestown and back. That's 64 miles round trip. Let me see what I feel like in Xenia. Well, wish I got an earlier start. I think it's like about 10:30 or so, 10:30 a.m. This is Tuesday, September 13th. US 35. There's a state route 35. So I'll make a right on Creekside Trail. Takes me to Xenia. Also takes me to Jamestown. I got about 2.5 mile climb here. This first quarter mile is the hardest of it. I think I should have oiled my chain. Oh well, sounds okay. I'll turn it back on when I get to 675 crossing. That's where you go under Woodman Drive at Linden Avenue. Like I said, it's about a 2.5, maybe close to 3 mile climb. Probably about 4% climb. Looks flat to you, but it's going uphill. I'll turn it back on at 675. Xenia Station, 10.6 miles. And I'm already 3.55 miles into my trip. That's east westbound 35 right there. Coming up on the I-675 interchange. Yeah, it's starting to flatten out now. I've got a long downhill up here. Bare feet, that's hardcore, buddy.
It is.
Guy running on his bare feet. Yeah, getting up some speed now. Let me get up in high gear. Get the big ring in front. Nice long downhill up here. That's sweet. All the way to Beaver Creek Station. I 675 and 35 interchange. Trying to smooth out that bump. Big bump there. Make sure ain't no cars coming out. Like 20 seconds. Got 2 more gears to go. Go down on here. coming up on name that road. I can't think of it. Perfect day for a bike ride. Perfect. It's been a little chilly this morning, got down to 57. This is Burkhart. No, not Burkhart. Range Hall. Range Hall. Oh shit. I think I'm broke down, guys.